Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vlog. So I don't know, babe driving already because me can't drive. Well, can't do my little thing. Babe, you think I can drive by now?
Yeah man, you're a big driver man.
I can't really drive. I can't drive, but I can drive.
Okay. And drive, but I can't drive. I understand.
You know them nowadays talking there?
Yeah man.
So we are in, tell them babe.
Yeah? Which part of the babe?
I don't know.
Okay.
We're somewhere in OCHO, and babe, I use the GPS, and me don't know where we are go. Jason know where we are go. Well, not really no, but him have the address. So we're gonna meet a lovely couple today. You guys will see who when we get there. So yeah, maybe just go and vlog for now. Guys, I'm not lie, down here pretty. Hey, what do you think prettier? Montego Bay or OCHO?
I give OCHO lead right now.
I don't think I can do that. Well, it all depends on who we go still.
All that.
Because this is another town. This is out of the town, right?
How that thing so?
But not even know where this is. I not even want to attempt to even say where it is. But as I did say, before I get the phone call, we're going to meet a couple today. You guys will see the couple as soon as we get there. Guys, I know by now when I watch this, I'm probably see the prank. But Jason just, ugh. Welcome to my life. It's my partner there, and I'm the easiest person to deal with.
That was a good entry.
Oh, those are beautiful. I fern them.
Yeah, I think so.
But guys, me not like, my hairdresser always come through with the hairstyle. You know what I did? This time I never have nothing in mind. I just sit down in her chair and she just give me something. And she said, me seeing this. And I said, well, do your thing. I'm gonna leave her information in the description so you guys can check her out. I don't really want to give the address because I should think she's moving. I'm not sure when, so I don't want to speak on that. But if you put the number in the description and you can call her, find out which part she there.
Beer co and
they will have to go invest in that one.
that's just lush and green.
So guys, I'll see you when we get there. You don't know how far the GPS out there, babe?
8 minutes.
8 minutes?
Yeah.
So I'll come back in the next 8 minutes. Alright, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Are you hungry?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah, buy me something to eat.
No, today not upon me at all.
Out of your pocket.
No. Oh, guys.
Tell them say you shot me my money. Tell them that before you even up your mouth. So if you ever put on a vlog, tell them say you still owe me $2,500.
I see these theories.
No, but you're gonna say guys you pay me back and that you just gonna say. And that your mouth just did gonna say.
But me they gonna tell them. So why me could tell them for myself? So guys, the day was on me. They promised him that. So I gave him back his money after I'm done calculate up.
They give him back all my money.
No. I owe him 2,500.
Okay.
Same way. But when me I think about it, me I say me not have to give him. Because babe, how the day come up to so much?
Babe, what you mean by
I can't understand.
You want me to give them the details what happened?
No.
Oh, okay. So stop that.
How much money me if it end
No,
up
but
back?
yeah, just relax. You're not going
You know what I trick me?
Me not,
Guys, make a deal with this. Make a investigate the matter. Me end up give back just 14,000.
You were supposed to give me 14,000. You gave me how much?
11,500.
Oh, exactly.
But why 14?
Listen.
And you said the gas was 2.
No. Listen. Let's go there, cause you want to go there.
Let's go there.
Let's go there. What was the $4,000 for?
Alright, I pay one bill for me online.
What was the $5,000 for?
I don't know.
The woman where you call it the something them for the gender reveal. The $2,000 was for the gas. I paid like $800 for the ice cream.
I didn't buy ice cream. Ice cream was on me.
Bro, you said everything.
Alright, Blade.
Yeah.
You win. You win, guys. Never again.
I don't know, never again. You cannot, you see, if you say you're going to give your man a money, give your man a money. Now sit down and go on and like you're a big shot on the rare. Then you have to, you see what I say? No, do them sit.
Sorry.
No, do them sitting there. So, if today is on me, then when we put today on you, you know what I want today, you want tomorrow. You're done there. You're done there.
Babe, you know, sharkies.
Yeah.
Do you know what that mean?
No, babe, we know when. Well, no, I never said tell a man or woman say that they're the me.
Sharkies.
I never tell nobody say that they're the me.
Of course it's on you.
Yeah. No, go to the me and if you drive you go. And drive you back home safely.
Just bought sharkies, guys. You know what I was thinking, babe? So you see the fish that I always buy, guys? Mommy did say to me, say she not like them. I mean, nobody not like them. Only Jason not like fish overall, so I can't even put him in there. But like anytime I do them always say them no want any because I grew with them. Them like have the fish in the thing and then feed them, and them I say it unhealthy, all sort of stuff. So when I know Easter come up, I don't know when it's Easter, but Easter come up and last bomba, babe, that was just the other day I did Easter. Yo, this whole pandemic mess up everything. But Easter come up and what I wanted to do was, if me and a family member now watch this on the ear, me say this and me no come through on the day, just know say me not sure if me I do it.
Don't follow a politician style.
But what I want to do, I want to get fish and I want to like get bun and cheese. I'm not sure about the bun and cheese. Me's not really a bun and cheese lover anyways. But me want to fry fish. But me want to buy like fish from like the man them will go out to sea and come back. So me want like butterfish and fish we can fry and them stuff there. So if me when me go home,
them have butterfish, them have cheese fish.
Just
May I ask you a question?
I don't know.
That is equal or can be compared to the type of questions that you ask me.
Why you do it, John Croft?
You try to flap me?
Me? I mean, when you're going to edit me out?
No, edit you out, no.
That me always that me here until the vlog done. Me see my little 7 minutes of fame turn 1.
Why are you like this, Jesse White? I said, Mr. Nobody that come in since as with a down here son and also down here so known for them stuff there. May I say if Mr. Nobody is selfish and I can probably buy 1-3 pounds and then go clean it up and then season it and save it for Easter for fry. And that's it for Easter.
So that Easter come or Easter gone?
Yeah, I don't even know, guys.
You know, so me normally used to know them things, but I don't know.
Guys, wait, the Easter gone or Easter not come yet? Alright guys, so we reached our destination and the place is beautiful. The place looks really nice. So I'm showing the couple. Show them. So introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Jay from Life with the Blight.
And this is Kashin, his lovely wife. So the place really nice. I can't lie.
Yes, guys, we try our best to making sure that you're very comfortable. Yeah.
I really appreciate that. So go over to their YouTube channel and subscribe. Gonna put their link in my description box. Also gonna pin it in my comment section. show them some love.
Please enter.
Alright guys, so we enter from this door. And when you enter, you have the living slash all area. You know, it's a sofa, table, chairs, and the TV. And then this way, you have a little bed right there. But this is our room. And Jason unpack some stuff from out of the car. Alright, let me get some light in here. You have two little chairs right here, so a little lamp, chest of drawer. What's your name? Chest of drawer, TV, the bed, two side table. You have a little mirror. Hi guys. And over to this side, you have the little bathroom. No. You have the bathroom. So yeah, that's how I'm going. To be honest, I never did know say we're gonna stay over. Jason didn't say that to me. But I just appreciate the fact, you know, them try to make we real comfortable. So them have other rooms. It's like a house, but them turn it into a Airbnb type of thing. You realize, babe?
Airbnb.
Airbnb.
Very nice though.
And them try our best to make a comfortable place, fresh and clean. So them have other rooms which I'm not gonna show because I'm not sure if I'm able to show those rooms. So we're gonna just go straight outside. And also they have a kitchen. So it's a living area, kitchen, and it look like a 3-bedroom, probably 4. And the yard space is nice. So I'm gonna just make Jason follow me and I'm gonna show you all of them, all of that real quick. Come babe, I want you to follow me.
Come here.
So the place cleaned up, babe.
Very
So this is outside. I don't want to show too much. So I'm gonna go and hold on the camera. Oh, this is nice. And a tree here for shade. Nice one.
Let me tell you about cool breeze.
And it cool, don't babe? It's cool. So it look like she just, you know, rent it for the day so we can get videos done. So this is the outside. Alright, under the tree, you have a little bench thing go on. Look at the lizard there. Me now go up there now. Maybe if you ever see the lizard there. Look like snake. Jeez, But yeah, that little bench thing here I go on. Yo, it cool in me nah lie. Place cool and pretty. So this is it guys. It's nice. And the place cool. So yeah. Alright guys, so I know you guys wondering like, Andra, this random. But yeah, now the trip is random. You know, we're a YouTuber, we do collaboration, so we and the lovely couple, we're gonna get some videos done and all of that. So the place really nice guys. It's not an official tour. I just showing you guys what we're dealing with for the day. Because I don't think we're gonna spend more than a day, right babe?
Our minus right
Only
now.
for me.
Yeah, and remember to like, comment, share. Like, comment, and share.
I get fat, you see? Mr. Guys, me I deal with him, I see?
Listen, I deal myself, yeah?
You just gonna lie like that?
If you lie like that, why me can't lie like that?
You deal with yourself?
You know me and
So
myself?
as of today?
So me and myself
As
there?
of today? No, no, come big.
Hurry up and come back.
Come big, no friend, man. Come big, no.
When she a big friend for me, me tough, but you said me a big friend for her, she's easy.
Exactly what that teacher said. Loosen up.
You don't teach me. You don't teach me nothing like that. You just teach me say you love big friend.
Stop kissing me in my ears, drum no boy.
She love it, you know.
You know, look me.
Only thing more I tell you right now, if you go take off my slippers. Hey, I feel like if you run a cat have a problem.
That's funny.
Sure.
So I'm gonna end off my vlog right now so we can go get some work done. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, babe, say it with me. If you're there a long time, thanks for chatting. You think me go say thanks for your chat. But if you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100k. Love you guys.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.